Welcome to our documentary, part 3. 1, 2, 3. This is the last part in our series for today. It's such a sunny day out today, isn't it? I'm videotaping you.
I just got a raindrop.
Stupid. Ashley?
Oh God, one just went down my shirt. What?
Just out of nowhere they stopped and hugged.
Yeah, and we don't do that.
Okay, get down over there.
What right down my throat?
Stupid. You know what? I've never seen someone as stupid as you, Ash.
What? You proud. Oh yeah. Actually, no, I'm like this. What? What? Oh. This really was our one minute. Who was it? I don't know. You know what? We need to hear from that. It was waving to you. Oh, by the way, we really enjoy tormenting cars. People look at us. Oh, yeah! Okay. Good afternoon. What are you doing? Don't touch my hair. It's all wet as it is. Don't touch it. Touch it. That sounded awkward, dude. You should never, ever do that. No. Subscribe to our videos. The orange button's like right there. Press that orange button. Or wherever it is. The orange button's over there. Press the orange button. See? Katie's the big orange button now. See? I press Katie and it shows up to me. Press. Ready? I want to do something stupid. What? Oh, I so knew that guy and he knows my dad.
So press the orange button, like if it's there or there, if on the orange button, just press the subscribe button. Yeah!
What are you doing in here?
I don't know.
You're reading.